Hey, everybody, and welcome to Microbit. And some of us have a little bit of experience with this, and others are brand new to it. So I'm going to go slow. So when you go to microbit.org, what you'll notice is this awesome image of kids super excited about this really amazing pocket-sized computer. So what I want you to do is click Get Started. When we get in here, you're going to learn about this idea of how we can use creative coding in this art making and engineering class, right? So, how you can use creative coding to develop easy, fun, and super cool models within this tool. So, the microbit can sense and measure and log light, temperature, sound, movement, magnetism, all sorts of things that exist within a lot of the technology that we have, such as like your cell phone and different things like that. Then I'm going to be exploring buttons, LEDs, radio, networks, simple circuits, and pins. We're then going to ultimately then add code to all of this to control it, and then work through things that look like this. We're going to work in block coding largely. If you want an extra challenge, you could jump into Java, but that gets pretty complicated. So we're going to learn how to control this thing and add different component parts to it. So day one with working with a microbit is just to play and explore how to add this code and how to change the code to transform something like on shake, change steps, show number of steps, so that when you perform that action and you walk, it will then actually track your steps. Pretty amazing and pretty cool. So you can have it do that. I was going to learn how to use this and control this interaction, just like we have on many people who are like watches, how that technology works with that technology that's inside of it. Then we may then work into extension tasks of how we can then apply this to real world problems and ideas and areas around our space. So, uh, step one, learning about the microbit. Step two is going to be you're going to then go in and learn how to actually use this thing. So on this website, I'm going to go back to the top, and you're going to click on Let's Code. So when I get to Let's Code, all sorts of options here. You're going to click Make Code Editor. So then inside the Make Code Editor, you will have a variety of options. On the top right, you're going to click Sign In. And you click Sign In with Google. If you don't do this, all of your project progress will not be saved. It might be saved on your Chromebook, but you want to save so when you log in anywhere, you can have access to it. So what I'd like you to do then is you're going to choose your own adventure. So you're going to go down here and you go to tutorials and learn how to do these. They kind of go in, they get more complicated as they move along. So you're going to have flashing heart, name tags, smiley buttons, things like that. So uh, if you have version 2, which is if yours has a speaker on the back, which almost all of ours do, these are tutorials you might want to start with. So when you get in here, it's pretty simple. You're going to click on it. You're going to click play video lesson, and this will teach you how to do it. And you're going to go to start tutorial. The tutorials are super well laid out. So when I pop in here, it'll show me what to do. It'll tell me what to do. If you want to read it to you out loud, you can click that and it will read this out loud to you.
Code the lights on the micro bit into a flashing heart animation.
And that helps, right? So you can read it if you wanted to read the text. So I can click OK. Then it will explain exactly what to do on top. If I'm confused, I can click the lightning or the light bulb and it will show me what to do. So all I have to do is click basic, drag this out here, and do that. So after I create my code, I'm then going to need to download the code to my microbit. So you're going to plug in your microbit with the USB port, and you click the download button, and it shows you what to do. Then you're going to click next, and you're going to download it as a file. You might be able to pair it if it works on your Chromebook. Awesome. If not, you're going to download the file. Then when that opens, you're going to have to drag that file over onto the microbit. Now, to get there, you have to click on the little files option on your Chromebook or on the computer. And then you're going to drag that file on and it will transfer onto the microbit. So play around, have fun, try a few of them, and let's see what happens.